So my name is Prasad and that's Reshma.
Hello.
So whenever we were in the medical school, we were not about health at all. Only in the third year or the fourth year, we were told about the health. So health is not only the absence of the disease or any other infection, but it is a complete mental, physical, and social well-being of an human being. So that's the mental health. That's the complete health. So we thought we don't talk about mental health quite a lot. So I thought I'll ask Reshma. I'm out of the clinical practice, but Reshma is in the GP land, and she'll talk about mental health. Over to you, Reshma.
Thank you, Prasad. So today we've got a patient. Okay, he's come with some problems to me, and let's see what he's got to say.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, Prasad. How can I help you today?
I'm not feeling that great today.
Okay, so tell me more. What's happening?
I'm not sleeping well. I'm eating, overeating. I'm drinking
Okay.
quite a lot.
Right.
And I'm not able to go out with my mates because I'm fighting with my wife.
Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, so I can see a few things. I can see you're not able to sleep well, and you're saying you're not able to go out with your friends. That is a concern. So I can see you're struggling with your mental health. Okay, so do you know where to go for help?
No, I don't know. That's why I came to the GP.
Okay, so there are a couple of things that we can do. Okay, you don't need a GP for that. So all you need to do, there is therapy for you. It is a self-referral. All you have to do is Google up therapy for you, and you can self-refer yourself. All they do is they talk you through, and they give you coping mechanisms to deal with your mental health. So nobody needs to know about it. You can do it on your own. Apart from that, you also got, if you think life is just not worth living, if you come to that point, I can refer you to the social prescriber. Social prescriber can refer you to more other buyers for you, people who have similar interests like you, similar activities, maybe badminton, maybe other games in the society. Apart from that, they can also refer you to some charity called as Friend for Life. They run a 6-week completely free course, and they can do that with you. Did you know about Trust Links?
No, I don't know.
So that is very close to where we live, Prittlewell Chase. Okay, so that's an activity including gardening and including the environmental health as well. So that is also free. The social prescribers can easily refer you to that. So you said you were not able to, you are going for some sort of physical activity, I heard?
Yeah, I go badminton a couple of days a week, but not much.
Oh dear. Okay, so what do you mean when not much? So what is happening?
So I go for half an hour a day, and then I go to Elms and eat.
Okay. So how much do you think you're drinking in a month?
I think I'm drinking 4 cans of beer every day.
Okay. So do you know how much is the maximum that a man can have? The recommended intake is about 14 units. Okay. So what a 14 units looks like? A can of beer is 2.7 units.
Full bottle.
A full bottle of wine is 9 units. So they say spread that over 3 days at least. Okay?
So can I eat my chips and can I eat my chicken wings?
Oh my God, yes, you can, but in limitation. So what they say is 40% of your diet should be 5 fruits and vegetables. Okay? And another 25% should come from complex carbohydrates. And another 25% can come from proteins, and about 8% is including good fats. That means at least 2 portions of fish a week.
Oh, good.
So that is how your ideal fruit, that your food palette should look like.
All right, doctor. The pizza is there. So what are the 5 takeaways for the audience?
So 5 takeaways for you would be drink wisely, sleep, get lots of sleep. Don't compromise on your sleep. It's not worth it. Being physically active, 150 minutes a week. So spread 30 minutes of brisk walking, or if it is vigorous activity like swimming and weightlifting, those kind of things, 75 minutes a week is fine. So yeah.
Can I go out with my bros then?
surely you can. But I think we can easily cap it at 150 minutes a week.
All right, thank you. Thanks to the organizers.
It's officially
Thank you everyone. Andariku Ugadi Shubhakankshalu and happy Mother's Day to all of us.
థ్యాంక్ యూ రేష్మా గారు అండ్ ప్రసాద్ గారు. దట్ వాజ్ సో చాలా మంచి అడ్వైజ్ ఇచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.